The aim of this project is to apply the algorithms of Q-learning from machine learning to automatize the Flappy Bird game. In this case, we make use of an article from Towel. Essentially, it is his code, extracted from his repository with a fork, and we modify it to find the solutions that we want. In this sense, we're going to run the code. At this moment, the code is trained. We can see that because the code is trained, it is very difficult to lose the game. For every frame, any state is checked, and these states are deployed in JSON format. This format is composed of a key of any state. This key has 4 values. We can see it below. X is the horizontal distance between the bird and the next pipe. Y is the vertical distance between the bird and the next pipe. V is the current velocity, and Y1 states the vertical distance from the next two pipes. In this frame specifically, all of these represent the state. With this information, we can go to the value of the state. The Q-learning state is represented by 3 different values. The first one represents the value of Q to do not do anything. The next one represents the value of Q when there is a flag action, you do something. And the third value is the number of times that this state was revisited. This is a JSON with all the trained values and all the possible options that you can find through the game. We wanted to know how a specific state can be changing over time. To do that, in pre-based training, we select a sample of the most visited states randomly, and those states check the status over time. One of them was the 1040, -9, and 0 state. Every time that the state was modified, we modified its value to visualize their change in the Q table. Initially, it is not modified anything, but when the bird crashed, the state had a negative value. The state knows that it was necessary to do something. In another moment, to do not doing anything gives the best reward because we can visualize that doing something has a negative connotation. This was training at the beginning until at the end the action of do not do anything prevailed. We can visualize it in the graph. In this graph, we can see that not doing anything has a better reward.